Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with the Modesty. Well, we are on the road again, guys. And today we're headed to Monterey Beach, or at least the city of Monterey. And let's see how far we can get. But right now, what I want to do is turn you around and let you see the freeway. Yep, not a big deal, right? And matter of fact, we just came through some really nice area where there's mountains. But did I pull out the camera then? No, of course I didn't. So now you get a beautiful scene of cars, okay? But I just want to go ahead and give you a really quick look, and then I will come back when we get somewhere a little more interesting. So let me just flip you guys around, and here we go. Oops, you back so soon? There we go. Okay, well, there are some hills that you can take a look at, and these are kind of a little bit brownish now. It's a little bit greener, but it does turn completely brown in the summertime, so it's winter grass. And so here we go, and we're just going down. I believe we're on 101, and so once we get near the location, I'll go ahead and bring us back. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and put you guys on pause because there's really nothing really interesting to look at. So yeah, okay, and I hope you guys enjoy the journey with me today to Monterey Beach. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, we are back for a moment here because I just want to let you know we are like really stuck on 101 traffic, the famous 101 traffic, except I don't think that's the case. It seems like there may be an accident ahead, and because according to our navigation, it is red, for miles. So it may take us a little bit longer than anticipated, and I will let you know if anything interesting comes up. Okay, see you soon. Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. Here I am. We finally got here. We actually took the wrong exit and got turned around, so we actually had to turn around, and so it took a little bit of time. But not like you guys are going to notice that because this is going to be edited. And so anyway, let me just turn you around so at least you can get a look of the beach. And we're actually at a place called Monterey State Beach. And it looks like they're doing some construction here, and then it's really cold here actually. It's windy and cold. So there's not a whole lot of people out here today. So I'm good without a mask. Okay, here we go. And this is actually really pretty out here, and it looks like I said, they're doing a lot of construction here, and just like a little hotel over there, and then here is the coastline, and it's so windy, and there's like birds. I don't know if you guys can see the birds just floating around. I think there's like a big school of fish that they can feed on. So let me see if I can get you a little bit closer, but they're just like kind of swimming and hanging out on the surface, and that's what those little black dots are, by the way, in case you can't see it. And so here we go. And also there are a lot of parasailers out there today. I wish I could get closer. I don't know if the camera's going to capture that, but they're over there, and just a hill or a dune, I guess that you call it, that they're launching from. And they're actually just flying around. That is just too cool. And I would love to do that. Anyway, so that's what they're doing out there. It looks like there's like a pack of birds over there. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'll walk over there. And so you guys can get a better look of the area. So this is what's going on. And let's see. Oh, there's some seagulls just swimming. But it is very, very cold out here. I'm going to say it's like in the 50s. And I really didn't dress for this. I thought it was going to be like when I left San Jose, it was starting to warm up, but down here is quite cool, and a lot of clouds in the sky. So yeah, well, let me see if we're going to go ahead and walk down there, and then I'll bring you back, okay? See you in a few minutes. Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. I'm back. We had to drive away from there because it was really, really cold. And so we decided to come to the Fisherman's Wharf at Monterey. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you one of the things that I found really pretty. And it is the boats here at the harbor. So I'm going to flip you around and let you see. And so here we go. This is really, really pretty. And as you notice, over there is the shops. I think I'm going to head over there to the shops and see if I can walk around. but I mean, look at these boats. I mean, it is really nice. It makes me want to get a boat. It's been many years since I've had a boat, so this is really nice. And just it looks like there's a restaurant there, and it looks like there are some shops over there. And look at the little dinghy down there. It looks like a little Zodiac dinghy. And I was thinking about walking down to the beach part, but I mean to the water part, but I don't know if that's open to the public or people that actually have boats here. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and find another spot, so give me a minute. Okay guys, now I am stopped a little bit before we get on the actual wharf. I just wanted to give you a shot of this from the outside to let you know where I'm going. And here it is, and it's really, really pretty here, but it is quite crowded, and so that makes me a little bit nervous. But that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and keep my mask on and then try to stay 6 feet away from people and do what I need to do to keep safe. So, okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I just wanted to go ahead and take this for you. This is about the old Fisherman's Wharf. Monterey's earliest pier of stone, built in 1846, gave way to a commercial fishing wharf in the early 1900s, when Monterey's multi-million-dollar fishing industry was born. Despite many changes in the wharf today, retains the tone and flavor of the past, a monument to the fishing industry and the fishermen who braved the wind and sea. So that's what this little sign says, and now we're going to go ahead and go in to the wharf. Okay guys, as you can see, they do take the face masking thing very seriously, which they need to, and there is a no mask equals $100 fine. Face coverings are required, and this is from the city of Monterey streets. And so I'm gonna try to take some good photos here without having to take the pictures of other people. But yeah, this is a really cute shop. It looks like there's like little trains around there. And as you can see, there is a lot of people here. So I'm going to try to kind of get out of the way. And yeah, so I'll be right back. Beautiful Wildflowers, I'm back, and we are actually now headed back. And you know, the wharf was really nice, but it was really, really crowded, and there were people who were, you know, masking and some that weren't, and it definitely couldn't keep that 6 feet, you know, separation. So it was a little nerve-wracking, especially for me. So we are headed back now, but I want to go ahead and turn you around so you can see what kind of a road we're on. And here we go. And we're just now on, I believe on US 1 is the name of the highway, and we will be meeting 101 here soon and on the way back to San Jose. But I wanted to go ahead and end this video in a proper manner, and so I will see what I can edit together for you guys, so at least you guys could get an experience of Monterey Fisherman's Wharf, okay? And so my subscribed yet, please do consider it. So my beautiful wildflowers, it's the end of the day. And so I hope you have a good day, good night, good week, good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.